Hello guys, welcome to KP Concept classes. Previously, I made two videos about ratio. In that, I discuss about the basic concepts and some types of problems on ratio. Now, in this video, I am going to discuss some more types of problems deals with ratio. So, come join in the video to learn the different types of problems. The first problem in this video is instead of dividing 117 among PQR in the ratio 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, by mistake it was divided in the ratio 2 is to 3 is to 4. Who gained the transaction? So here the original ratio to be divided for the given money is P is to Q is to R equal to 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4. So for 2, 3, 4, the LCM is, so here for 2 and 4, the 4 is LCM. LCM is 4. So for 3 and 4, LCM is 3 into 4. So what is 12? So if you multiplied with these ratios with 12, so 2 ones are 2 six are. So first ratio 6 is to 3 ones are 3 fours are 4 is to 4 ones are 4 threes are 6 is to 4 is to 3. So the original ratio to be divided is 6 is to 4 is to 3. The original ratio is 6 is to 4 is to 3. But we have the money is divided mistakenly. Consider ratio is P is to Q is to I is 2 is to 3 is to 4. So this total 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 9, and the original ratio is 6 plus 4 plus 3 is total is 13. So this is 13. Here the total is 9. So for the comparison, that means here 2 by 9, 3 by 9, 4 by 9, the ratios to be divided. Here 6 by 13, 4 by 13, 3 by 13 is the ratios. So for the comparison, we have to multiply this original ratio with 9 and the mistaken ratio with this 13. So here the original ratio 6 into 9 is to 4 into 9 is to 3 into 9. What it will be? 6 nines are 54, 4 nines are 36, 3 nines are 27. So 54 is to 36 is to 27. And the considered ratio is multiplied with 13, 2 into 13, 3 into 13, 4 into 13. So 2 13s are 26, 3 13s are 39, 4 13s are 52. Who gain here? So here originally A has to get 54 parts, but here only 26 parts. So he loses. And for Q 36, he get 39. So he gained. So P is gained. Here also, sorry, P not, sorry, Q is gained. And finally R originally must get only 27, but here he got 52. So R is also gained. So the both Q and R gained in this transaction. Oh, see the second problem. In a school, the ratio of boys and girls is 4 is to 5. When 100 girls leave the school, the ratio becomes 6 is to 7. How many boys are there in the school? So we have to find the number of boys originally in the school. So original ratio of boys and girls. Here is given that 4 is to 5, let it be 4x is to 5x. So the number of girls live the school is 100. So now resultant ratio is 6 is to 7. So this transaction can be written as 4x by 5x minus 100. So girls are losing that way. 5x is the original ratio. Minus 100 becomes 6 is to 7. So 7 into 4x, 6 into 5x minus 100. So the transaction is 7 4s are 28, x remains 6 5s are 30x, 6 into 100, 600. So x, this 28x, x as the taken together. The x values are bring together and constant taken that side of equal. So 600 equal to 30x minus 28x. So 600 equal to 2x and x equal to 600 by 2, that is 2 3s are 300. So x value is 300. The number of boys according to ratio is 4x, that is 4 into 100. That's why the number of boys in the school is 1200. Problem can be, this second problem can be solved in a shortcut manner. The original ratio, let it be considered b1 is to g1 equal to 4 is to 5, and the number of girls live here is 100. So let it be 100. So the resultant ratio b2 is to g2 is how much? 6 is to 7. So to find the number of pies b1, how much? 4. So it has to be considered like this. N into, sorry, b1 into n1 into b2 by b1 g2 minus b2 g1. So b1 is 4 into, so n 100 by 100 into b2 is 6 by AD. So this ABCD you can consider AD minus BC. 4 sevens are 28 and 6 fives are 30. So the difference between these two, positive difference is 2. So 2 ones are 2 threes are 3 fours are 12. 12 into 100 is 1200. In this way you can solve this problem. You get the same answer 1200. See the third problem. When 20% of a number added to another number, the the number increased by 50%. That means 20% of first number is added to the second number. It is increased by 50%. The ratio between the first and second number is, see here, the first number considered to be A and second number is to be B. So when 20% of A, the increased percent is 50%. So 50% of B. So we know that from the beginning of ratios, I told that A is 50 and B is 20. 20%. So A is to become B becomes 50% is to 20%. If you cancel percentage symbol and 0, then you got 5 is to 2. So the ratio of A is to B, two numbers is 5 is to 2. Now we discuss the fourth problem. If A exceeds B by 40% and B is less than C by 20%, what is the ratio of A to C? So from the information, we are comparing B value, A value with B. So B is considered to be 100 and A is 40% is more. So that means it is 40 more than B. So B plus 40, that is A value becomes 100 plus 40, that is 140. Similarly, the ratio becomes now A is to B is 140 is to 100. So that is A by B equal to 140 by 100. And second information, if you consider B is comparing with C, so that's why C is considered to be 100 and A value is 20% less than B. For 100 it is 20 less than. That means B value is 100 minus 20. 100 minus 20. That's why B becomes as 80. So B value becomes 80. The ratio of B is to C is B equal to 80 and C equal to 100. 80 is to 100 or B by C equal to 80 by 100. Now we want to find what A is to C. So it is A by C, that can be written as, so the first ratio A is to B into B by C. So 1 by 40 by 100 into 80 by 100. So 0 and this 0 cancel, this 0 and this 0 cancel. So here 4 2s are 8, 4 25s are 14 2s are 28 by 25. So the A to C ratio is 28 is to 25. Our answer is 20 is to 25. A is to C is 28 is to 25. Problem in this video is A and B are two alloys of gold and copper prepared by mixing metals. The ratio in the ratio 7 is to 2 and 7 is to 11. So respectively, that means here in the metal A you have 7 is to 2 as gold, and for B 7 is to 11. If equal quantities of the alloy are melted to form third alloy C, the ratio of gold and copper in C will be. So A contains in the ratio 7 is to 2. That is, the total is 9. So 7 by 9 gold and 2 by 9 is the gold. Sorry, copper. 7 by 9 is the gold and 2 by 9 is copper. And for B, it is 7 is to 11, the ratio. That means the total is 18. Gold, the gold ratio is 7 by 18 and copper is 11 by 18. So here the totals of alloy A and B ratios are different. For comparison, these two must be equal. So for A, it is 9. So if you multiply with 2, it becomes 18. That's why alloy A ratio 7 is to 2 is multiplied with 2. That's why 7 into 2, 2 into 2. 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4. So 14 is to 4 are gold and copper. Now the alloy C is melted for with equal quantities. That why 7 plus 14 for gold and 4 plus 11. So 11 plus 4 is for copper. That's why 21 is to 7 plus 14, 21 and 4 plus 11, 15. So if you simplify this, 3 sevens are 3 fives are. So the ratio of copper and gold in alloy C is 7 is to 5. Your answer is 7 is to 5. So this is, we will meet in the next video, and till then, bye.